tax cuts. That's what State Superintendent of Education Ryan Walters considers an emergency in Oklahoma right now. He spoke out this morning against the legislature's proposal of a 0.25% cut to income tax. Fox 25's Capitol reporter Paige Taylor live with us here in the studio, breaking down what else he had to say. Paige.
Wendy, Walters says this proposed tax cut is too small and that Oklahomans want no income tax, period. He says speaking out might make him the most hated guy in the state capitol.
I expect a lot of repercussions for speaking this directly and fighting for taxpayers today.
State Superintendent Ryan Walters making it loud and clear Friday morning. He does not like the governor and legislative leadership's budget for next fiscal year. The budget agreement announced Wednesday included eliminating the bottom 3 tax brackets and a 0.25% income tax cut for the rest.
We would love to get all the brackets away. We just weren't able to get that all done. Staying up with the competition and what other states around us are doing so we can be the most pro-business friendly state and getting us on a path to zero.
State Superintendent Ryan Walters says this proposed cut is not enough, adding it is essential to get rid of the income tax this year. Walters also advocating for no property tax in the Sooner State.
And we're expecting the taxpayers of Oklahoma to continue paying income taxes while they're trying to make ends meet in this economy. I think that's ridiculous. I think it is absurd.
Many questioning why the state superintendent held a press conference about tax cuts. He explained why it's intertwined with education.
What does revenue and taxation have to do with education? Education is the #1 thing that we fund in this state. And we have a budget that says, don't worry about revenue, don't worry about taxation. We're going to continue to trim around the edges and hope the people like it.
Walters making the claim that the state doesn't have a revenue problem, but rather a spending problem.
I think that there's plenty of time to get back to work and provide real tax relief for families.
The legislature's proposed budget does not include $3 million for Walters' efforts to put Bibles in Oklahoma classrooms. This week, the Senate also struck down a proposed rule from the State Department of Education to track students' immigration status. Reporting live in studio, Paige Taylor, Fox 25 News.